Imagine being a teenager today, buffeted by physical and emotional changes, pressures to succeed, 24/7 judgment on social media, and an uncertain career market. You need support, but support that lets you be yourself and speaks to the real you. You need Q from Quintillion. Q is a life coaching app designed for teenagers. It takes 40 years of research and practice in well-being, self-awareness and personal performance that helps business leaders and elite sports stars perform under pressure and puts it in your smartphone. You start with an in-depth questionnaire. This isn't a personality test. Your answers reveal instead the deep behavioral predispositions you've had since childhood. This unlocks your psychological DNA and helps you understand what motivates you and drives your behavior. There's no good or bad, no judgment, just insight and clarity. Just you. Now the fun starts. Q's cutting-edge AI matches your natural behavioral preferences and the challenges you face every day. It shows you how to play to your strengths and how to change your behavior to better manage tricky situations. Q helps you manage stress, homework, revision and exams, build confidence, think about careers, manage relationships, and much more. It provides inspiration, direction, and control. It's also safe. Q is password protected. Your data is safe, anonymized and can't be sold. Q is unique to you and uniquely yours. It's not managed by your school, so there's no extra input needed from IT, admin, or counselors. Q helps you with each new challenge as you develop. It creates a bedrock of well-being from which you can push off to fulfill your potential.